Everyone, welcome to my channel, Blue Lotus Gardens. How are y'all doing today? We're out today in my backyard. I have a little DIY raised bed solution for just repurposing found material or like gifted. And this was gifted by my friend who worked in the theater company, and so I cleaned it up and made some holes in it. And so I'm gonna put the kale and other veggies in there. Say hi. Alright everyone, this is the result. So I planted them 1 foot by 1 foot, so a good way to like measure it is like measure like that in between and also upwards, and now it helps. So you see my little seedlings just going. Looks so good. I'm so excited. I have more to plant and I'll show y'all more. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. If you want to support us, we do have some merch. On the link down below, so if you want to go and purchase that, it really helps our channel. Subscribe, like, and comment, and let me know what you like. Alright, bye everyone, peace. Sorry for the dirty fingers.